morning, my friends. I'm here in Hilton in London, and I'm going to do another travel video for you, showing you what you can do in a hotel that has a fitness center. This one happens to have a very nice fitness center, so I'm going to take advantage of that and show you some things. Let me show you how. First of all, we're going to warm up. As always, they have some lovely cardio machines in the other room, which you can certainly take advantage of, but I wanted to show you a simpler way. So we're just going to do a little bit of marching, shift it to high knees, high arms, reach, side, front, reach, side, front. We're going to do a little side stretch here. Couple good mornings. Remember, good mornings, we hinge at the hips. Hands about at the knees. Come back up, back flat. If you've been sitting in a bus all week like I have, my hip flexors are tight. So this is a good way to soften them. And we'll do just a couple quarter squats here. Again, aiming at the hips, the knees, the ankles. Remember, hips go back first. If you're feeling pressure on your knees, it means you're not doing the squat right. So readjust. Okay, from our warm-up, we're going to go right into our workout. I'm going to use a set of dumbbells for a few of these movements. You do not have to. All right, first movement. Get your feet in good squat position, whatever that means for you. And we're going to do a squat with an overhead reach. So dumbbells on your shoulders, down into a squat and reach. We're going to do 10. Don't forget to breathe. And bring the dumbbells down. I'm going to keep holding onto them. We're going to move into a reverse lunge. I'm just going to hold the dumbbells down here as I do the lunge. Remember to have your feet far enough apart to give yourself a good base as you step back into that lunge. Again, we're aiming for 10. And coming back to center. We're going to put the dumbbells down now. Make sure they're out of your way so that you're not tripping over them. And now we're going to do a side step and a squat. And now the other way. Again, 10. This gives you a wider squat, hits different muscles, works a little bit on balance. And last one. Okay, we're going to go down on the floor now for glute bridges and then plank taps. Okay, feet flat on the floor. A lot of the hotel fitness rooms will have mats for you to use. And coming up into the glute bridge, we're going to hold for a count of 2 and then down. Make sure your shoulders are rolled under. This is core and glute. Going for 10. Hold for 2. Squeezing those glutes together. Take this slow. Rushing it doesn't help you. In fact, it doesn't build the strength and the muscles that taking it slow and doing those squeezes does. Two more. And come down. You can kind of pull your knees to your chest a little bit to stretch them out. We're going to sit up and flip over for plank taps. A couple ways you can do this. You can do the standard one that I've shown you before, like this. Or you can do an up down, which is like this. Whichever you want. I'm going to do the taps today. Here we go. Two more. And we have completed a really nice circuit. I recommend doing this twice more. Take a minute rest in between, grab some water, use your towel, shift your position, do 2 more rounds of this, and you'll have an awesome workout. Be ready for your next adventure on your holiday vacation. I hope you enjoyed this latest in my travel series. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified whenever I put up a brand new video like this one. So subscribe, drop me comments. I love to hear from you. Did you try it? Did you like it? What you like? What didn't you like? What'd you like to see more of? So drop me comments. Subscribe to my newsletter on Substack. I'll put the link in the description below. And most importantly, I'll see you right here for the next episode.